Hi my friend, it's Pat Sloan here, and on the calendar today is the color pink. I think it'd be great to celebrate pink quilts today. So what I want you to do is share with me over at Quilt Along with Pat Sloan any quilt that you've made that is pink, primarily pink. It's because it's a happy, pretty color. Pink is such a pretty color. I know it's my mom's favorite color. It was my mother-in-law's favorite color. I think even my dad's wife's favorite color. I'd have to ask her on that one. It is a super happy color. So I put up, ta-da! I put up my heart quilt from Holiday Celebrations, which is also the first block that we will be doing on Monday when we start Happy Everything Sew Along. So we're doing a block each week from something from the book. It sort of just goes right through the book. And I put the quilt up. So because, why not? We're going to have to celebrate the book. So this one was quilted by Cindy and Dennis Dickinson, and I love that they did these circles. Let me just, since it's hanging up here, celebrate my pink quilt. So they did these circles all along here, and then each of the hearts themselves have some different designs. This has got like a little ribbon design, and this one has leaves, and then there's like a diamond shape down in this one. So pretty. And then there's some on white here, and then the border has, let me see if I can get out there. Yeah, the border has like a heart kind of flower thing. So it is so pretty, and I love this quilt. There's also pillows in the book that you can make to be a companion, or just put the heart on a pillow. Okay, so share your pink quilts today. That is our fun thing to do. Now I am thinking about doing another pink quilt because I have a nice bin of pink. Where is it? I have a big bin here. I have all of this pink, and some of it has been around quite a while. So I think that, put it out here, I think that I need to make a pink quilt next year. Just I don't know, it just feels like I haven't played with pink like that, just sort of a scrappy pink quilt. Remember the sweater book? Maybe my first sweater quilt will have to be in pinks from that book. Yes, okay, see, these plans formulate as I talk about it. I just keep talking and plans happen. All right, I want to show you a few other things, like I got the pillow form for my cross stitch. So I have a couple cross stitch things here. Now look, da-da-da. I did not get the right size pillow form. I don't know, I thought I did. I'm gonna have to go check. I put it in here to show you, and it's really loose, so it could be like another inch bigger. I think it's okay, but it's not, it's a little small. Now these are cross stitch cards, and so I'm going to show you these cards because you can mix and match all of these designs and do like a sampler, or do like I did here. Cindy actually stitched this for me, and then I faced it like a little quilt, and I put some rickrack on the behind it, and then sewed it onto the purple, and then sewed the purple onto the pillow. So I just sort of did this layering effect, which is kind of neat. I like it. Actually, I didn't do that. What did I do? I just tacked it. Yeah, so it's actually dimensional. So I just tacked it on there. You could actually like do Velcro or something, and then you could switch these out if you had a basic pillow back. Mine was all geared towards October. So let me show you, whoops. Let me just show you the cards. These are the mix and match cards. So, they have like 4 in a set. And that one had 4 of the ones that are on the pillow there, plus it had some patchwork, and the hot cocoa was from another one. So isn't that cute? Like I need to do another one of those so that I do it. Cindy did that one for me. But this is a brand new one that they came out with. It's got the apple on it and the little schoolhouse. So I think it's all school related things. But you could do that same concept. You could take the school, the apple, the globe, and then some cross stitch, some patchwork blocks. You could put you wouldn't put October in there, but maybe you want to do something that says September. That'd be, you know, it's just super cute to mix them up. They've got all kinds. Like, I don't have the full set. I think I need the full set. Like, here's one with the patchwork block in it. So you just take that block and use whatever colors, just like you know, that go with the other blocks, just like you do with quilting. You don't have to use the same one that they're using. What else did I show you? Oh, here's the hot cocoa. Yeah, so here, see the hot cocoa? It's just like quilting. You just change the fabrics, you change the thread colors. Alrighty. I love them. I think that they're a nice little size, because that's what I'm finding works best for me, is these smaller cross stitch. Even though I'm working on those bigger ones, they're just not getting done like I can get through the little ones. And I did get another one of the stitch boxes. These boxes here, I got one of these storage boxes. Had to get a red one. Let me just show you. These cards plus threads and things will fit in there. And so what I'm going to do is, on this shelf here, this one I'm going to rearrange something to put a couple of these boxes so that I can put the cross stitch stuff in them. Now they come actually bubble wrapped. This piece, when you order it, comes bubble wrapped inside, so it's very secure. You could actually keep this box too if you need a storage box, because it's pretty sturdy. I'm thinking it might be good to put salvages in, since I've been keeping them in the Sew Sampler boxes. Okay, I'm gonna stick that over there. So this guy has, you open the drawer, there's index cards, there's sort of like a divider piece here, so if you want to make it like a half of one thing, half of another, there you write for in the front here what's in it. You'll fold that over. But these cards then will fit right, let me line them up, there they go, they fit right in here. So I could put they're in the front, yeah, so I can put like an index card with those, and then there are other small ones too, like, you know, from other companies, and they would fit in here. Then I think in the other box like this, I will put some threads. That'll be the two things I'll store so that I can get to them more easily. Right now I just have all the cross stitch stuff in like one gray basket. It's a little cumbersome, you know. I need to break it up, and there was actually this Container Store shelving thing that Kimberly at the Front Quarter Shop showed, and I'm like debating, do I want to get that? It's bigger. I'm not sure I have a place to put it. That's always a problem. My space in here is pretty small and pretty full. So adding something else, like these little boxes, look like they would fit up here. Plus I have Container Store, these boxes up there that I can actually thinking of putting the bigger patterns in there. So I can kind of keep that all together. Now I've been doing, let me get this, this cross stitch here this year. It has been just so much fun, and you know, not a lot of work. So each month I'm trying to keep up with it. I switched out on the little house, for aqua door. Did I tell you that? Did I tell you that I switched the door color? I just thought it needed an aqua door, so that is what I did. Here it is, opened up. Gotta show you. Look, look, look. Isn't that cool? I'm going to make this into a quilt and hang it on the wall, like above the door. That's where it's going to go eventually. Eventually, next year, when I get all of them, when the year is out. So the next month is October, and it's a little owl. So cute. Now, Kimberly did a recolor of everything. To use a little bit lighter colors, and she changed the owl to blue, but I think I'm going to keep my owl brown. I'm going to go to the brown owl, or I might look at making a white owl, maybe a white and blue owl, like mostly white, like a snow owls. So I'm thinking of doing that. And I am keeping up on, I got to go back to a thought there, don't let me forget. So I got a little bit more done on the Cross Stitch University. Yay! Okay, let me go back to the thought. This project here, which was a little thing every month, I'm debating, you know, I like these, you know, I like these, but I wanted to get a package I wanted to get a pattern that was sort of organized already for me as to each month. So I found out there were two options, and I got them to look at. The Fat Quarter Shop sent them to me. So there is a set by Heart and Hand called Joyful Journal. So now I would have to, they do these on littler fibers, so I will have to change it up. But you know, they're really cute. So each one is the month, and it's got like a lot of little things on it. I like March. And there we go. So look at that bird. And it's got like the little stuff all around the top. Now mine would be a little bit bigger. These finished are pretty small. I think they're like 3.5 finished, so they're really tiny. Then Heart and Hand also has another set, and these are, whoops, you get 3 in each package. And once again, they're packed in like a whole bunch of little images, which I think are so darling. And I could, you know, do just one each month. I probably would not put them into any like big thing like I'm doing this year. I probably do the single ones and put them on the little hanger, because I just think I like having that focus, so that on that month that's what I'm doing. And then if I did these, I would actually finish them and use them each month. So if you like, give me your opinion. Do you like the square dance or the joyful journal, or the square dance format? I mean, they're somewhat similar, but they are but different, which I like. So I mean, I could do one this 2022 and one in 2023, or find something else for 23. So let me know. It's always a challenge to find fun things. Not really. That's the fun part. Finding fun things is the fun part. All right, it is Saturday. Is it Saturday? Yes, it's Saturday. So on Monday, we start the Happy Everything Sew Along with our heart block. And so I'm actually going to get that ready this weekend, get it all made and filmed for Monday morning, bright and early. And I'm using the gray and the yellow, gray, and touch of turquoise. So I'm excited to play with that. I love you. Mwah. See you online.